Well, we should look at this. They're back working on the Burger King. Oh, wow, look at that. They put a bunch of rock, 2 big dumps in that driveway. Almost all of it's gone. And today's Monday. Saturday and Sunday wasn't nobody there. But now they are there. Look at that. Well, they're going to build on that foundation that was there during the cold weather. I reckon they got the test labs numbers and they all discussed it and thought it was good enough to do it. Boy, that slab does not look level from here. Look at that. That is just not, maybe it's my camera. My camera's not level. All right. That's where I'm at. Look at that. Village Inn. Oh, she look at that, how uphill that slab is. You gonna put the mud on top of that today?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Has Danny Hall been out here, the city inspector?
I don't know who you are. You are the superintendent?
No. But you might be getting ahead of yourself. Let me shut this off. Well, I'm headed over here to the Burger King to see what they got done. I can't tell if they poured it from here, but I bet they have, based on what they told me yesterday. All right, let's go look. Well, we got concrete in place and already done pulled the side forms off of them. Wonder what time they started pouring. Look at that. Already got the side forms off. Ain't that something?
For a Burger King slab foundation in Ozark, Missouri, under typical April conditions, you should leave the side forms in place for 24-36 hours before removal, ensuring the concrete has set and can withstand the process without damage. If the weather turns colder or there's any doubt about the concrete strength, wait closer to 48 hours and consult with your project engineer or concrete supplier for confirmation. Always continue curing the slab after form removal to meet the 2018 IBC standards and ensure long-term performance.